I'm learning how to stick weld right now. It's actually a real eye-opener. I was lost for a long time. To be honest, I was living the fast life. I dealt in drugs. I went to jail, and that's just the lifestyle I always really had. I really hit rock bottom this time. Like, you're not going to change until you're ready. I'm just done. I'm tired. And then there was an opportunity in jail that I was able to weld.
The program started with an idea of our partners over in Russell County, and what they found was there was a great need in the area for welders. So we formulated the 12-week course, and the jail brings them over here 2 nights a week. They work from 4:30 to 8:15, 8:30ish, and then they were taken back to the jail. Upon their graduation, they do the actual interviews with the Henderson hiring staff, and then they get hired, and the jail will transport them 7 days a week, 10-hour days, and they're making upwards of $18 an hour. And then the jail creates a savings account for them, and the money they make goes into the savings account, and once they get out, they have a nest egg to start off with.
And I just think the opportunity here is great because a lot of people, they come to jail and they get out with nothing, so they go back to doing the same sort of things that got them in jail in the first place.
Our program also teaches responsibility because part of their daily grade is cleanup at the end of the day. They have to be responsible for their tools. They have to be responsible for themselves and not hurting anybody in the classroom because we have very hot, very sharp materials.
They're actually giving opportunities to people that's never had that, and it feels amazing. It's like I'm finding a whole new Jessica, the Jessica that I lost years ago.
It's a game changer for sure because, a lot of people don't have anyone on the outside, or good influences to help them out.
Seek us out. If you need workers, you need certified, qualified workers that can go straight into your workforce and fulfill your need, KCTCS has everything the workforce needs.